Hi everyone, this is Julie with Her That. Today we are going to try I don't know if you would call it a hack, but it's a recipe using the Cheetos Flamin' Hot Cheetos with pickles, but I'm going to do a little twist, and I'm also going to add mozzarella cheese sticks. Another thing I'm going to do, instead of the hard Cheetos, I'm going to use the puffs. So let's look at it and see what we got. Okay, so like I told you, I got the puffs instead of the hard Cheetos because it's a lot easier to make into a dust. This is the mixture. What I did here was just put a little bitty hole to just enough to get the air out, and then I smashed it like crazy to get it to that dust feel. But I'm going to use some string cheese and some spares. I know a lot of people use the little hamburger dill slices, but I'm going to use this, or they use the stackers. So let's get started here. I'm going to mix my eggs, and I put 2 eggs in here. I got my grease heating up. Okay. Here's my pickles. I'm going to dip it in the egg mixture. Then some flour. Okay, cross your fingers here. I think it needs some more egg mixture on it to hold the Cheeto mixture. It's a pretty color. Okay, there's a pickle. Let's do another one. If anybody has done this, comment below and let me know. I'm not really into hot stuff, but my son and my husband Randy does. Okay, so that's the pickles. I think it looks pretty cute. And now we're going to do the mozzarella sticks. I've never seen this done, but I'm just like, why not? So we're going to do the same thing as we did with the pickles. Okay. Let's see if it will stay on the cheese. Messy fingers. Look at that. Has to be an easier way. Maybe a bag and shake it. Looks pretty good. Do another one. Dip it in the egg. Dip it in the flour. Dip it back in the egg. And then the Flamin' Hot Puffs mixture. Like I said, I've never used the puffs. I've never even used the hard Cheetos, but I do know that the hard Cheetos are hard, and I've seen a lot of people on YouTube saying that it's hard to get smashed up into the dust. So I thought puffs would be a lot better. It looks the same. Okay. Pretty good, y'all. So we're going to take this plate over to the grease. I think it should be ready. Yeah. Okay. We're going to put the pickles in first. That could have been a little bit hotter. Didn't have my double burner on. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, we got them going. I think we should get some ranch. Let's see what we have. Gotta have ranch to dip it in. It's a pretty color, y'all, I have to admit. I just wonder if it's going to give it that little kick like the Cheetos. Like, I can't even eat the Cheetos. They're too hot for me. But my son and Randy loves them. I wonder what the Cheetos with the little lime. I wonder what that would taste like. That'd probably be pretty good. Lime and dill pickle. Well, I don't know. We'll have to try it. Okay, I think they're almost done. And then we'll put them on the plate. I got the ranch on the side. Smells good. That one's done. Good. There's your pickle. My niece, Brandy, loves, which is Rhonda's daughter at home with Tom and Rhonda. Brandy, she is a dill pickle freak. The crust stuff is staying on really good. I'm surprised. Okay, there you have that. And turn the stove off. Gonna let that cool. Okay, just waiting for that to cool. If y'all would comment and subscribe and like to my channel, I would appreciate it. I want to do a lot of fun things like this. Try different recipes that are sort of unusual and just try them out to see if it's really worth it or not, and letting y'all know. And then of course we build the barn doors and the shutters and the baby and pet gates. And my husband Randy will be starting his own channel called Whiskey Creek Ranch and Whiskey Creek Tactical. We're going to be doing different kind of tactical bags. That's hard to say. Let's just say hunting bags. We're going to be different kinds of hunting bags and knives and stuff. And we're going to have a bag of the month, and that we will be featuring, and we will be giving that away. So I hope y'all will subscribe to me. I hope you like our channel and everything that we offer. Okay, so let's get back to the mozzarella cheese sticks and the pickles. This is a pickle. I think it looks good. And this is the cheese stick. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, everyone, this is Julie with Heard That. I might have lost you on the first video, so I'm going to do a part 2 of the Cheetos Flamin' Hot Puffs, fried cheese and pickles. I did a taste test on the mozzarella cheese sticks and the pickles, and I have to say it was great. I don't really taste the hot in it with the Flamin' Hot Cheetos, but it does give it a different color, and they were fun to do, and I guess it gave it a little bit of a different taste. The batter and everything stayed on really well, as you can see. It's pretty cool. I did the cheese sticks. I don't know if anybody else has done cheese sticks. I wanted to try that, and I thought that turned out really good. That's probably one of my favorite, and I dipped it in ranch. Of course, I'm Texas. But if you didn't get the first video, all I did was take some string cheese and egg mixture, 2 eggs, whipped it together, and then I dipped my cheese sticks into my egg mixture, into my flour, back into my egg mixture, and then into the Flamin' Hot Puffs dust. Also, I did the spares with the pickles. I know you can get the sliders, which might be pretty good because these has the skin on them, but it really held up really good with the batter and stuff. Again, I used the puffs. It was really easy to smash up. If you can tell, this one has the puff that hasn't been smashed. I just did the one bag and it did a whole lot of dust. So there's that. And this is what was left out of the ones that I've already did. But same with the pickles. I took the pickles, I put them in the egg mixture with the flour, back into the egg mixture, and then into the dust, and then I fried them. And that is what it turned out to look like. And this is me eating it. You know, I always have to try the food before I give y'all a heads up. And I have to say, I would do it again. This is the pickle. Really good. I don't taste the heat whatsoever. I just think it gives it a nice little color. And it tastes good. Maybe a little spice. But I don't taste the heat at all. So, again, if you're looking for something a little different, unique, try the Cheetos Flamin' Hot Puffs. They're a lot easier to smash up and batter your stuff. I don't know what else. You could probably batter everything with it just to give it, you know, just try it out for fun. But I'd never seen the cheese sticks done, and I wanted to do that. So again, check my first video to see me dipping everything. This video shows me doing the taste test and stuff, and a recap on what we did. So again, Cheetos, you outdid yourself. I love Cheetos, but the Flamin' Hot Puffs is really good to make that batter for all your stuff that you're going to deep fry. Again, this is Julie with Her That. Please like and subscribe to us. Make a comment on what else y'all have used as a batter for the string cheese and the pickles. My son was saying try the Talties. It might be hotter. So anyway, and maybe you can add some cayenne pepper or something to it. I don't know, but I thought this was really good. So anyway, thanks y'all. Bye.